living right there. Man, that joker bent in half. He must have.
That was that weight.
Ooh-wee. Then it was so I'm not gonna lie. I think every farmer need a tractor like this here. This old reliable tractor. You can barely touch the key on it. Push the knob in. Lost of words right now. I can't even talk. Alright, see now what's gonna happen now is gonna fall. You could? Oh, I ain't know. How y'all doing? Hey, Dexter do it all. Y'all might see me with some stuff in my hand. These groceries. Well, I call them groceries. But she didn't get it on video, but what I had did. I went over there, got me some of them chicken eggs out of there. I need me one more hen. I need one more. No, I think about 3 more hens. So in the morning time, I go over there and get my breakfast over there. And then I wish I had me some turkeys out here. That'd be even better too. So I can chop me up some turkey, give me some eggs. I don't know how I'm gonna make the bread. But I had to buy the bread from the store. But I'm trying to live off the land right now. If y'all see this in my hand right here. Throw and grow. My wife hates harvest season and she hates deer season. Harvest season, she can't hardly get me to come in the house because I'm working all night long. Hunting season, she can't really get me to come in the house because I'm trying to put up deer stands. I'm trying to hunt this deer here. I'm trying to hunt this deer there. All the time she get to spend time with me like to really enjoy it. Maybe Valentine's Day. After that, back to harvest season. So, hey, she gotta step her game up. She might well quit doing what she's doing and come out there and do what I'm doing. So then she can spend more time with me. But I make time for her. Though. So I'm gonna put these groceries. I'm gonna put this in the house. So look at that. I had it. Well, that one right there ain't no good. But it's an old egg anyway. But anyway, we'll put these in the house. We're gonna go in the back. We're gonna put some of the throw and grow out. So I can go ahead and get my food plot going. Well, we're back here in the back here. What I said I was gonna do. But I was at the store yesterday, the hardware store. Me and my partner Drew Jones, he was in the store. Man, this guy buying the whole store, buying different stuff he probably ain't gonna use, but he did it anyway. But nah, I mess with it. Shout out to Drew Jones, that's my buddy there though. I'm just talking about him in a good way. He a good guy. Though. But I'm gonna go throw this out because this right here don't need. You can throw this out. And it can grow in shade, sun, or however they want to see it. But throw and grow. So I need to put me a food plot out here. I'm trying to put out here early so I can get the deer to get ready to draw it in and come down my shooting lane right here. So I had a guy come in. He mulched this down for me. So you come in, and where you go in, you'll see a lane right down through there. If I come here early in the morning, look, show them that down there. That's a deer right there. You see it? You see it? Mm-hmm. You gotta zoom the camera. But other than that, my buddy Ed Nash, he had built this deer stand here. And what happened was, I guess somebody probably left some peanut butter or some Yogi Bear might be in there. You'll get back. I left my spreader at the house in a rush. And I gotta go at least about 50 yards. Try to get them coming in. But I let it bounce. It'll spread pretty good. I'll go buy another bag. You see that movie Quiet Place? Man, it's just like when you in the woods on the movie Quiet Place. You can't say nothing. He come through the woods. That's how that bad. I mean, that's how that deal be. Quiet Place. You be sitting there, it be cold that morning too, and you see it coming from their nose like. You be like, oh, and your heart start beating. Dook, dook, dook. And then you look at them again, like, oh yeah, I can get them. And then when you get ready to shoot, you see a squirrel over your head. Oh man, you gotta shoot the squirrel and the deer. I gotta come in. I get all these. I don't need my deer to come in and trip and fall. They're gonna be mad at me then. Man, you ain't move the sticks out the way. It'll be something. So I got another bag from Walmart, but they need more sunlight. But this here, you just throw it out there and let it go. But I hope the birds don't come out here and pick all of it. That was all in the bag right there. Wheat. I think it got clovers. What else in there? Trying to look for the ingredients on there. Oh, we got sweet. Oh, what is ingredients? Well, yeah, it got greens and all that in there. Wheat. I'm thinking about putting a deer stand back here with a bed in it. And I was trying to see if I could put a solar on top so I can get some sunlight. Maybe I can sit back here at night, take a nap, wake up in the morning and kill me a bear. Kill me a deer. Cut that out. One for Drew Jones, I wouldn't have bought this bag right here. Man, bro, go on get that bag. Go on get that bag right there. You got it. And guess what I did? I went on and got it. You see that deer right there on that bag? That's the deer I killed. I killed that deer, and I put him on the bag like that. I did it. Yeah, when you come out here and hunt during the winter time, you have a peace of mind. That's a peace of mind right there. And you might not kill them sometimes. I be seeing deer all the time, but sometimes I be like, man, as long as I'm out the house doing, there go coon. Coon right there. Right here, come on this side. You gotta zoom in. Zoom in. Here. Let's go get the other side. That don't need to be the part of country living right there. Man, that joker bent in half. He must have. That was that weight. Ooh-wee. Then them soybeans. Good looking beans too. I'm gonna need you to pull it to the house. Not a bird, yeah. When I get to the house, I need to grease it up. go real fast when you pull this trailer because you might not know how to handle it. So this for big boys. It's not for small girls. Big boys. I haven't put the jack on it today too. You hear me? Oh man, what is nasty mosquitoes good for? They ain't found out what to do with them yet. Man, I like this old tractor right here. So what I'm about to do now? Look at that. See, nasty you see him in the top? Oh, he got out of there, didn't he? That's crazy. You just flying around people's ears and biting them all day. But anyway. I gotta hook up to that blade right there, cause I gotta make a way for the truck to come out, cause I loaded it on that turn roll, and then I gotta make a turn coming out, and the driveway ain't that wide, so now I gotta go down there and move a truck, and then kind of move from dirt a little bit, so I can be able to make a wide swing and come out and come back on. Look at that, you study fan. I'm not gonna lie, I think every farmer need a tractor like this here. This old reliable tractor. You can barely touch the key on it. Push the knob in. Yeah, touch it. Stay with me now. Touch it. This old thing came in handy. Mr. Davis down there in St. Joe. Go, hey Dick, man, got your blade down here. Hey, we went and got it. I did the yard with it. We had dug some trenches with it out there. So some water for it till we find a ditch. I'm looking for a ditch. If I get a ditch, it'll be a whole lot better. The only thing I gotta do is go straight. I ain't gotta worry about bagging up with this thing here. I just go straight across the field, make ditches all everywhere. So I'm trying to do it right now. Why, good time. she finally made it. As you can see, ooh, nice, pretty, wide open country living down there. That's country living right there. 977 combine, doing its job. He had to stop a little while ago. Down on that end, like on that piece right there. What it is, on that cutter bar, where them skids there in front of them, he got a hole in one of them. So what it was doing, it was coming through and it was dragging and making a pile. So I had to stop. I had to knock it off, so it looked kind of tacky under there. So don't judge me. I had to take it off there because it looked kind of, it was just dragging. As you know, it just started dragging and building up. So I had to knock it back so it'd be clean. You know, I don't have to worry about that no more. But other than that, yesterday we was out here trying to get the combine going. Yeah, I took it to the shop for the little deal in the backside had a bearing go out on it, so we couldn't do it ourselves. We turned the bullet roller in there. There was a bearing on the outside and went out. So yesterday we went and bought a sensor, $115 sensor for nothing. The sensor about this big, about that big right there, but it's $115. So we put it on there, it was doing the same thing. What happened was we didn't bring it back to first gear, second gear. It was always in neutral. So then we went to John Deere, spent money for nothing yesterday. And that wasted a whole lot of time. We up there looking for rats and see did the rat eat it. But they say it's fluid over electric. But other than that, we couldn't find nothing. We took took it off, the front cover where the drum is, took that off, went over into the inside of it to pick out what's going on in there. See with the sensor bag and one bag right there. So we threw away some money and some time. But other than that, we're going. Nice clean shot, got GPS on there. Old people don't like no GPS for some reason. Why? I don't know. He do not like a GPS because he talking about I can drive straight. But look at him. Look. He just sitting back chilling. He just ride. He ain't doing nothing but looking side to side. See, if you ain't had a GPS, you gotta drive, look, then you gotta get back on your press that button, let the machine do it. But other than that, that's country living right there. Say it with me, country living. lost words right now. I can't even talk. I can't even talk. There go Mrs. Davis right there. I had her to go to town to get a part for the. I had her to go get some of these right here. Crunk that combine back up. So we dropped the head. It was still making the same noise. So we had to take all that out of there. Good prime. It's good prime time of cutting beans right now. Now I gotta stop and do this here. But I never done it before. But what I did, I took it loose on the side. I just pulled the whole drum out because I couldn't get behind the no way to the inside. Now hold up. I'm about to mess up right now. Oh, there we go. So I try to keep all my tools in the same, my bolts and stuff. Try to keep them in the same spot. You know how the ground will eat it up. You miss place and then you go down the road and there it is when you see it again. Man, so I want to do this right now. I'm gonna leave one bolt in on this side. So when I get ready to flip it, I'm gonna tighten it a little bit though. Then when I get ready to flip it, it'll come right out of there.
You owe me a truck wash.
Live open, washing this flat. I the old folks over there, what? I got the rag on my head, boy. I'm trying to keep them gnats. Man, them gnats be all in my ear. So I put this on my, this your shirt. That's dog. They sound like mosquitoes. And they got something to do with it. What it is right there? Some corn over there, corn on the cob over there. Yeah, I'm doing corn. Hey, I had a buddy of mine. He had went to the cornfield. I think I told y'all this story before. But he had went to the cornfield and got some corn out somebody else's field. Went and got bags of it too. Got bags. And what happened was he caught it too late. You know when we first started tousing, like maybe like 2 weeks or so after started tousing, you can go get it and eat it. Man, he got that corn out of the field and boiled it for 12 hours. It still didn't get soft. He had bags of it. He wouldn't get soft for nothing. So he had to take that corn back to the main field. Alright, see now what's gonna happen now, it's gonna fall. I'm gonna have to lay it down. Yep, you'll do better laying it down. I really just ain't want to work in no clogs. You know, the clogs hurt my knees. Hurt. Want to get in there?
All you need to go to the
That's the easy part right there. That's the easy part there. The hard part is getting it back in there. Watch your feet.
Got some boats. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
So as I'm sitting down there, we out here just talking and realized the size come off. I thought we had to buy all this shit. So I guess you just buy the drum. The wheel. Take these. I ain't never did before, so don't knock me though. I ain't never did. Learn as I go. I ain't even Google it, I ain't YouTube it. came over there. And they go back. Cause you can see that this side dark. They're gonna go to the outside. It shouldn't matter what side it go on. Right, it don't matter what side it go on. Take this side off. I need to get another gun. This thing here. See how it moves so easy right here? I don't know, can you replace with a rubber? See, put another rubber on. Inside. Ooh, tore that up. It bit all that back. What we can do with this? Can we put like, maybe we can make it out of a chimney or something? Put some wood down in there and keep warm or something? Probably do that way. So baby ain't got it. Voila. On the back side, I got them nuts already on there. You got it stable, so you won't have to worry about trying to put a wrench on the back side of it. But you couldn't get to it no way from the inside. No way. Can't even tell where it's supposed to go. I'm not gonna worry with it. Now I just gotta wait on him. Hey, if you guys ever have an enemy and y'all need my help, let me know. We can make him real itchy. We'll get this. You see this right here? Get that right there. Just a little pinch of it. And put it in the crease of underwear. And then they're gonna go to work going, man, they're gonna be itching all day. Boy, that's some bad stuff, cause it's on my arm right now. I'm itching on my arm, so imagine what it do down here. Ooh, you be scratching all over. That's how you get rid of you not get rid of your enemy, but you'll take care of your enemy with that. He ain't gonna never mess with you ever again. Put some dust in the drawer.
Hello everybody, I just came on here to tell you all we have 3 channels. We got a farm channel, which would be Dexter Do It All. You got that one? The second one will be Small Dreams, that would be the tiny home. That's the second one. Okay? Second one, Small Dreams. Come over there, subscribe, like, it's a new channel. And I can let you know how I'm coming with the tiny home. Okay? The third channel, it's Put Your Mind to It. That's where I vlog. That's where I started from. So you guys come along and go to Dexter Do It All. He's 35 years old and he do farming. So you guys come on over.